warning for western Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles southeast of Lenore, or near Sawmills, moving south at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with just 10-quarter size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hickory, Longview, Sawmills, Granite Falls, Valdez, Hudson, Concord, Cages Mountain, Hilda Grand, and Connolly Springs. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding include. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina.